Maxine Waters say that the Tea Party members should all go to hell. Well, I will tell you where hell is. Hell is in the black communities that the Congressional Black Caucus serves.
Hold on just a second. What did you just say?
I said these policies are racist.
Thank you. Thank you.
Joining us is the author of The Big Black Lie, How I Learned the Truth About the Democratic Party. Kevin Jackson, first of all, were you there on Saturday at the Capitol when Congressman Lewis and other members of the Congressional Black Caucus were bad upon? Were you there for that?
A lot of what they were saying had happened actually hadn't occurred. Been to many Tea Parties around the country, and I've yet to see any real violence towards anybody.
Far left's making a big deal out of the Tea Party movement being almost all white, implying it's a racist situation. Joining us now from St. Louis, Kevin Jackson.
I call it Emancipation 2. This time, everybody gets free.
With us now, reaction from Tea Party activist Kevin Jackson. Kevin, what'd you make of that?
Wow, I think he managed to sum up the Democrat and elitist position very succinctly by saying that black people are stupid and white people are racist. The thing that gets me most, Neil, is that the ease in which he makes these comments. Guess what? When blacks like myself, conservative blacks, go off the plantation, and what they do is they do what they did to Ken Gladney in St. Louis. They give you a beat down. And if they can't do it physically, they're going to do it verbally. Yeah, it's complete subterfuge. But the fact of the matter is, Carson made an incendiary comment that has no place in American politics and in the lexicon of today.
The Democratic operatives were destroying their own property so that somehow people would just, I don't know, just choose to blame them on Republicans. You really believe that?
Yeah, it's kind of like when there are riots in Watts and black people go and loot their own stores and you wonder why did it happen? It's the same reason. So when you can tell me with complete evidence that the people that are doing this are Republicans, and I'll be happy to answer your question. But until then, all you've got is anecdotal evidence.
This is illogical.
The same way that you have anecdotal evidence around the Tea Party groups and saying that everybody's a racist, when I'm an example of a person who's been to these events, not one single racial incident can I point at.
There's a racist fringe to this, and that I wish Republican leaders and Tea Party
supporters like yourself. Well, there's a racist fringe to the Democrat Party because, as I said, I've yet to see a black man lynched at a Tea Party. But I do know that the Democrat Party has lynched black people. So if you want to make that equivalency, then let's talk about that for a bit.
Kevin Jackson. Kevin, you know I disagree with you on a lot of stuff, but I do appreciate you coming on today.
My
Thank
pleasure.
you.